First, let's take a look at our trading account. Now I'll select my indicator average true range, ATR. After selecting the indicator, I'll choose my first trading pair, AUD-CHF. The pair has been selected, and based on my market analysis, I'll place a sell trade. Without waiting for the result, let's move on to our second trading pair, GBP-JPY. I've selected the second pair, completed my analysis, and now I'll place another sell trade. Now let's go back to our first trade. Now let's briefly understand the average true range, ATR indicator. The average true range, ATR, is a volatility indicator. It doesn't tell you whether the market will go up or down. Instead, it measures how much the price is moving. A higher ATR value means the market is more volatile, while a lower ATR value indicates lower volatility. Traders use ATR together with market analysis and proper confirmation to identify better trading opportunities and manage risk more effectively. As you can see, our first trade has been win. Now let's check our second trade. As you can see, our second trade has also been won. If you also want to improve your trading skills, make sure you understand at least one indicator properly. Indicators can help you analyze the market more effectively, but success doesn't come overnight. Patience, discipline, consistency, and proper risk management are the real keys to becoming a successful trader. If you also want to learn this style of trading or receive accurate trading signals, join our Telegram channel using the link in the description.